Hey guys, it's Melanie from UMI Performance. Have you ever installed a set of these poly bushings on a rear end? We know it can be a real pain, and we're here to show you a quick and easy way to accomplish that. The first step is to remove the bushing from the outer housing. Roger is doing that using a vise along with a washer and bolt to press the bushing out with a soft blow hammer. With the bushing out, Roger now takes the metal bushing and presses it into the housing using a soft blow hammer. The last step is to reinstall the bushing into the housing using the soft blow hammer. For more information on these bushings and other UMI Performance products, give us a call, visit our website, or email us at support@umiperformance.com.